Hey there! FilthyRich Productions presents. I picked up a pair of 12 gauge single shot shotguns last night for 90 bucks. We're here to test them this afternoon. I plan on sawing them off. There's minor pitting in the barrels, and who doesn't want two sawed off shotguns? Okay! Okay, they shoot perfectly. They're awesome. Cooey 840. This one's called Cooey 84. Basically the same gun. This one's got some nice little decorative bits in there. Some doesn't. But they will soon both be sawed-off shotguns. It's gonna be good times. FilthyRich Productions. Stick around.